Hello and welcome to the channel. Today I would like to talk about botrytis blight on lilies. You can see these grayish straw-colored spots, and this is botrytis on fusion lilies. Fortunately, fusions have a good tolerance to botrytis, unlike Asiatics and TA hybrids. So you can see that this disease starts like small oval spots on the leaves, and under moist conditions it can ravage a plant quickly. I had to pull up these stems because these are uncurable, and you can already see that it's broken. I break it off and it's really dead. It starts, as I mentioned, these small spots, and then they can grow to these water-soaked lesions, and when the disease is actively growing in the plant, there are these water-soaked ends or halos near the spots. And this is another lily. I already sprayed my plants, but when you have this serious infection, it's better just to cut down the stem and hope that the bulb will survive. So this disease, I missed one spraying, and you can see the devastation this causes. We had an unusually cold and moist May, and these will be thrown out in the trash soon. But I just want to show you that some cultivars are really nice and healthy, others are just starting to show the symptoms. So I need to pick these leaves off in order to save the plant, the stem. And here you can see that I better off maybe cutting down the whole stem. I'm not sure yet what to do. And oh, it's bad. It's really bad. So I have to come down and cut a couple of stems out, and also I have to make a note in my notebook which cultivars are really susceptible. Oh, and this one is interesting. This is Oti robina. Oh, and you may be here that it started to rain again. So there's a couple of minutes of rain, 5 to 10 minutes of rain. It's just enough to wet the leaves and keep the moisture high, and this is perfect for botrytis. So OTs usually and Orientals are especially not sensitive to botrytis, but these ones are showing botrytis symptoms. So not great. Oh, this year is just one devastation after another, so it's not nice. So the rest of the lilies look okay to me. Oh, look at this, typical botrytis. I have to cut down this stem also. You can see here in the top the small spots already. Oh my goodness. Okay. Well, I leave you here to see this. This is how botrytis looks on a plant, and this stem should be cut down. So I'm finishing up. Thank you for your attention. See you next time. Goodbye.